Here I'm performing a Smith machine shoulder press. As you can see here, I am starting or setting the bench in position so that when I get under the bar is just right on top of my sternum or chest bone, and it is going to be comfortable for my shoulders. However, as you can see here, the limiting factor is the wall or the wall behind the bench, which means I cannot push the bench further. I would say that the bar here at the moment is slightly too near me for my comfort. However, because the limiting factor is the wall behind, that is the most that I can go and I have to make do. The most important thing is that when I lower the bar is right on top of my sternum or chest bone, and here you can see that it is nicely on top of my sternum or chest bone. When I'm setting myself up in this Smith machine shoulder press, I'm creating an arch in my lower back by bringing my chest up to the ceiling. So the cue I like to give is bring your chest up to the ceiling and put your legs comfortably back. Throughout the entire movement, I plant my feet comfortably and stable on the floor, not letting it move throughout the entire movement. As you can see, I also do not lower the bar all the way to the bottom that it touches my sternum or chest bone, because there is no need or it's unnecessary to. The most important thing is that I'm lowering it to the range that my shoulder is still actively working. So the point is that if I lower the bar all the way that it touches my sternum or chest bone, it puts my shoulder out of its active range, and that is not what we want. We want constant tension on the shoulder. So once again, setting up the movement is important. I set the bench to the position that allows the bar to be in line with the top of my sternum or chest bone. I create an arch in my lower back. I bring my feet back comfortably, and I use the cue chest up, keeping the chest up throughout the entire movement, and then I lower the bar comfortably to the top of my chest, ensuring that my wrist and elbow are stacked on top of one another, and I do not lower it too low that my elbows have to go backwards, and putting the wrist and elbow out of alignment. It is not dangerous, it's just not efficient. So the most important thing is ensuring that the wrist and elbows are stacked on top of one another. I lower it just on top of my sternum or chest bone, in that my shoulder is still in its active range.